doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive in with you, and maybe I'll drown. What can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings.
What's up mga parts?
So yun mga parts, after namin mag-explore, ikot-ikot dito sa TST, Nathan Road, after namin mag-lunch, mag-coffee, kumain ng bakehouse, mga parts, what is the best way to enjoy the Victoria Harbor or this river is to have a cruise. So kaya mga parts, nag-book kami ng Aqualuna Sunset Cruise that will start at 4:30 PM, 45 minutes boat ride. Mga parts, binook lang namin yun sa Klook. So please use my code BONGKLOOK and I'll post the link below para magkaroon kayo ng discount. So yung mga parts, samahan nyo kami kung ano yung pwede nyo expect kapag nag-book kayo ng Aqualuna. So maganda ito mga parts kasi yung Aqualuna is yun yung isa sa pinaka parang traditional boat nila. And nandito lang yung pier kung saan kayo sasakay, sa likod lang ng Cultural Center. And mga parts, yung presyo niya is 1,800 or 1,700. Pero may kasama na siyang I think wine. So mamaya samahan nyo kayo mga parts para malaman nyo kung ano yung inclusions and ano yung makikita nyo, ma-expect nyo. Kasi mamaya naman sa gabi manonood naman tayo ng Symphony of Lights dito din sa Victoria Harbor. So let's go mga parts, sakay tayo ng Aqualuna Sunset Cruise. Let's go! Nandito na kami sa Pier 1. So mga pards, ito na yung Aqualuna boat. So merong mga ibang options mga pards, yung like katulad nun, yung mga ibang cruise ships or ibang ships. Pero mas prefer namin itong Aqualuna kasi mas maganda siya. Yan, nakita nyo naman. Traditional boat. And yeah, meron to I think one round of drinks or unlimited drinks. I'm not sure, let me check. Kuya, unlimited ba yung drinks? Ano yung inclusion? I know what's included. So, mga parts, ayan na, naka-ano na ako, fisherman's hat mga parts. Naka 45-minute cruise and then complimentary alcoholic or non-alcoholic. And yun, at least meron na kayong time to roam around Victoria Harbor. Mga parts. Papakita ko sa inyo mga parts kung ano yung inclusion and ano yung pwede nyo ma-expect para if marirecommend ba natin to. Pero for me, I think pwede naman to. I think marirecommend naman natin kasi nga you got to have a different point of view of the Victoria Harbor. So later on naman mga parts, Symphony of Lights na. So, let's go! Saan daw tayo? So dito tayo opo?
Depende, isa mo.
O dito na sa taas. Kuya. So yan mga parts, nakasakay na tayo. At tayo ay maghanap na ng place. Saan tayo? Dito o dito? Kasi pag ganun siya eh. Oo. Ay, shit, masarap. Ay, masarap mga parts. Oo. So ngayon ang parts nakaset na kami. Ito ay itsura niya sa loob. And meron kayong 45 minutes. So kami muna ay magpipicture-picture para tapos na. Let's go! So yan mga parts, we're here inside Aqua Luna. So ito mga parts, meron kayong cruise or different perspective of the harbor, Victoria Harbor. So there mga parts, ang ganda, super sulit. And ang ganda din ng upuan mga parts, nakita nyo naman oh. So meron kayong option na ganito, pwede rin na ganyan, pwede rin kayo dun sa unahan. Pero kami, we choose this one kasi para kami nagsa-sunbathing. Pero ito yung view mga parts oh. Ito yung Harbor Square, nandyan yung K11 and also nandito yung sa Symphony of Light sa kabilang sides. So mga parts, this is a must try. Use my code BONGKLUK to have or to avail discount. I'll post the link below or in the comment section para makapag-discount. So for the meantime, let's enjoy our complimentary drinks. So ayan na mga parts, ito na yung Aqua Luna Sunset Cruise and mga parts, naubos ko na yung Sprite and si Kuya Jerome nagwa-wine pa siya. So yun mga parts, we highly recommend for you to try this one. It's super sulit. Medyo mahal nga siya, it's 1,000, medyo mahal nga lang siya ng onte, it's 1,800, but I think for the experience and as mentioned, you'll have a different perspective and point of view of the beauty and the skyline of Hong Kong. Like this one, it is the Symphony of Lights, where the Symphony of Lights is happening. There is the peak over there, and the other side is the harbor square or the K11 Masaya. So yun mga parts, if you have the resources and if you have the time, then must try when you visit Hong Kong. Second time ko na, pero first time ko itong ma-experience and definitely worth it. So ngayon, mga parts, bababa kami sa Central kasi iba-iba yung bookings niya. Pwedeng TST to TST, pwedeng TST to Central, pero when we check kasi, the only available destination will be TST to Central, but you can book TST going back to TST. So okay lang naman kasi may MRT naman, kasi we plan to have dinner then in the harbor, Victoria Harbor. So yeah, see you sa port ulit mga parts. So mga parts, pagbaba namin doon sa Central Station after nung cruise, mabababaan nyo yung Central. Nandito na din yung Hong Kong Observation Wheel. And siya. Pwede din kayo sumakay dyan just in case, pero may ticket yan. You can also book in Klook. Use my code, BONGKLOOK, para maka-discount kayo. So, yeah, para siyang London Eye, pero yun yung Hong Kong Eye. Tawag dyan ay Hong Kong Observation Wheel. So, may view kayo ng Harbor or Victoria Harbor. Yan, di yan sa malapit, pagbaba nyo ng Central. Diyan din yung mga, most of the Filipinos na pag weekends, pag Sunday, dyan din sila tumatambay. So, ngayon, babalik na kami sa TST to have dinner naman. And after that, Symphony of Lights. Let's go!
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you.